Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Access Grayson, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button or basically any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and then tap on it. Here you find the option called date and time, and select it. And now, if you want to change the date and time manually, you will need to disable the automatic date and time. So tap on the switch next to automatic date and time. Once you do, scroll down and you will see set date and set time. First, let's set the date. So tap on set date. Change the month by swiping up and down, then the day, and then the year. And once you're done, swipe left and tap on the arrow to confirm. Next we have the time, so tap on set time, adjust the hours, minutes, and then tap on the arrow to confirm. And another thing you can change is the time format. You can enable or disable the 24-hour format to change the time format if you want. You can also change the time zone if you want to by disabling the automatic one, tapping on set time zone, and select the one you like this. And once you're done changing the settings, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time and date on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.